What's up, everybody? Welcome to Revline89. So today we are doing a unboxing and review video of this code reader, the ArtiLink 300. So I'm pretty excited to get started. Looks like it's going to be a pretty good code reader. So it's going to show us all of our codes. So you can do DTC lookup library, which explains the code. Plug and play, no battery required, unique design. English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Russian. Effective code reader that efficiently helps resolve most basic car issues. It's for most 1996 and newer vehicles. So, IM Readiness, O2 Sensor test, live data monitor, freeze frame retrieval, quick VIN, CIN, or CVN information. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So right off the bat, we see it comes with a quick start guide. Since I've been using these for many years, we don't need this, but for those who are new, so make sure your ignition is on. The vehicle doesn't have to be turned on unless you want to monitor other things. So we'll actually turn it on. Battery can't be a dead battery in your car, obviously. And the throttle is in the closed position, which means don't be pressing on the gas, revving it up when you're doing this. And that's basic. So you're going to want to find your OB port. Now for our Mustang, it's right here. So it's just a port that looks like something would plug in. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this. You can plug it in. Looks like they have a cap on it. So you take this and you just simply plug it in just like that. There you go. Let's get this Mustang turned on. By the way, guys, I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get this. Alright. So let's go ahead, and now we are going to press diagnose. We got lots of check engine codes, so I'm going to be very curious to see what comes up. So it's going to go through the process. Alright, DTCs in this ECU, it's 5. Readiness OK, 3. Readiness INC, not available. Data stream count 51. Wow, it does a lot of stuff here. So we can read codes. This is a good thing with the Idle Chop mod. A lot of you guys wondered what you can buy to erase your code if you use the Idle Chop mod and it throws a code. Well, here you can see erase codes. So if you guys can see the little engine light, we got that on there. Let's go ahead and first read the codes. I know what they are because we have long tube headers, no cats, and so forth. So everything that we have doesn't affect the car. So there we go. We got P0106. We've had all these for over 2 years now. Manifold, absolute pressure. Let's go down. Let's see. The next one, O2 sensor heater. We know that. O2. System 2 lean, we know that because of the idle chop. The idle chop will make your car run lean. So we know that. That looks like the same thing, P0106 O2 sensor. So it looks like it read the same ones a couple times. So basically what we're looking at is manifold absolute, and that's with the idle chop. And then we're looking at O2 sensor bank 1 sensor 2, O2 sensor bank 2 sensor 2, system 2 lean bank 2, same absolute manifold, and then we're O2. So not bad. So now let's go to exit. We could do IM Readiness, which it's gonna fail because so this is to determine if it can pass inspection. It should let's see. Let's do synthesis. Alright, let's see. Fuel, inconclusive. EGR, inconclusive. Okay. It wouldn't fail because we drive the car. Let's do this. Drive cycle. Inconclusive fuel ready, okay. So yeah, it wouldn't pass because if you drive under 5,000 miles in my state, you're exempt for emissions. So let's see what else we can do. Data stream, let's check that out. I'm really liking this. It's small, it's nice, it's pretty cool. So you can check your fuel system 1, 2, load PCT. Let's see. You also got your ECT, temperature. You got shift 1, long 1, 2, long 2, or not shift. Excuse me, SHRTFT. Goes over percentage, your MAP, RPM, VSS, Spark Advance, IAT, MAF, TP, O2 S11. Oh my goodness, my friends, you guys have so much stuff you can see in here. This is crazy. Warm-ups 1. Wow, it just does not stop. It just keeps going with the things that you can monitor. Alright, let's go back. Let's try freeze frame here. I think that saves all the data, and I'm not sure how you get that out. I don't know if it just saves it within this device. So yeah, it just froze everything right there. So if you want to see what it's doing at a certain thing, O2 test, you can do an O2 sensor test. We know that'll fail. Onboard monitoring. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. So you can monitor all these different things here. You can do vehicle information. EVAP system, it says mode $8. So maybe you have to pay for that. I don't know. Oh no, it's showing. Okay. EVAP system failed test. Oh no! No! So yeah, this thing is really awesome. You can also do lookup, then you can look up your codes even more, setup, language, unit of measure. So yeah, this my friends is actually gonna get, I mean, for the price, for how small it is, how compact, honestly, I think I'm gonna have to give this an 8 out of 10. This thing is really handy. I'm very impressed with this. Check out the link in my video description if you guys want to buy this, but wow, at least an 8 out of 10. And this is just going to be something really, obviously for the Mustang, we have these codes, we know what they are, but if something starts going wrong, we can check it out even more and get better data on that. But yeah, I'm super happy. So at least an 8 out of 10. We'll see as we go on and test it out and use it more, but yeah, I'm actually pretty thrilled. You know, I've done reviews on these in the past on other channels and given them, you know, a 4 to 5 out of 10. So an 8 out of 10 is a good score for me. So it's Revline89 approved. See you guys on the next video. Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.